What species of bees live at Weaver Lake Elementary?
Importance of bees. Bees are important for pollinating because without bees to pollinate, plenty of food and resources would be gone, such as fruits, plants, and vegetables. Bees are important to our world because they help us survive by pollinating our healthy food.
Other pollinators are hummingbirds, beetles, butterflies, flies, moths, ants.
Native bees. Bumblebees are one of the native bees in Minnesota. They are important because they are used to pollinate crops such as tomatoes, while some other bees like honeybees cannot get the pollen. Carpenter bees are also important because when they feed on nectar, they pick up and transfer pollen to another flower.
Our investigation. Procedures. We put the container above the bee when it landed on the flower. When it flew up, we trapped it with the lid. Next, we sketched the bee. Then, when the bee was frozen, we pinned it.
Can I borrow your...
Last, we identified it by looking at its pollen basket and the hair on its eyes. We got a bumblebee.
Results. For our class pinning data, we got 8 bumblebees and 8 honeybees. For all of the classes in 5th grade, we got 34 bumblebees, 21 honeybees, 3 metallic green bees, 2 serotini bees, 1 sweat bee, 1 melisodes, 1 megachile, 1 fly, 1 flower fly, 1 hylaeus. We had twice as many types of bees as last year.
Threats to pollinators. Pesticides can hurt bees if bees pollinate flowers that have been sprayed. With pesticides, the bees can forget its way back to the hive and die. Varroa mite can attach itself to the fat side of the bee and sucking its blood to make it weak.
C. Plant bee-friendly flowers. Planting bee-friendly flowers help more bees pollinate. Plant flowers like bee balm, lavenders, sunflowers, borages, pale peppercorn flower, and more. Say no to pesticides. Pesticides can harm bees. It can make them forget the way back to their hive and they could die.
Ciasha and
Lillian.
Credits.